Got my phone back. Now, let's just go run. Okay, that was loud. Yes, I can ride it around my own. I know this place is the back of my hand. Father, can I buy a bowl of water? Can I buy a bottle of water? Ano ginagawa mo? Naka-video uli ako. Can I buy a bottle of water? It's only $10. Move. Paano ko na I'll just go buy a bottle of water, okay? Bottle of water po.
Yellow. Tapos, isang ba? May baso na? Baso?
Thank you. Thank you, Mom. I have to put my phone down to drink this, so please don't. Okay, I drank my water. Chocolate. Okay. First revealing all of the people on the vlog guy. And even my Cheetos. Yes, posting random stuff. I I just wanna be a YouTuber. Sinabi ng classmate ko, tuyang ako maging YouTuber. Pero pero younger siya sa ako. Tuyang ba ako? Si Salish Matter nga nag-start ng ng YouTube channel for 6 years 13 na siya. 14 years. I don't know. Big fan ako kay Salish Matter She a 13-year-old. She talks back at her father. Bet ko pag si Meme uli yun 13 na ganun din siya. Kagaya kay Salish. And tulong ko si Tita Meme mag-fashion sa yun sa 13 years. Ilan years ba magiging 13 si Tita Meme? Ha? 9? Ako pag 2013 na 15 na ako.
20?
Hindi, 15 ako.
Kailan?
Sa 2013. 15 ako sa 2013.
30?
Opo. Alam ko yung future tsaka yung past. Alam ko din my Folady names. Cronus is Saturn, Zeus is Jupiter, Uranus is Uranus. Yun? Na-forgot ko yung my Folady name ni Neptune tsaka ni Venus. Si Earth Gia, Mars Aries, Sun Helios, yun? Mercury Hades, hindi, Hermes. Tsaka, yun? Pluto, Hades. Kasi some people don't know their Bibology. Na-found ko nga to yung channel na to, meron nag-amumura sila.